Newton Crouch presents technical tips.
See, this is a ground. It's very important
Very.
that this ground exists. By me plugging this back in, I'm using the actual ground speed sensor, not the simulated speed.
sensor.
When I unplug this, I unplug the grounds to the injection pumps.
Right.
They're actually going to the injection pump lines. You
Yes,
see
sir.
see that line?
Yes, sir.
And that line, and that line. They're actually picking up a ground off of this speed sensor input. And because I've plugged up a simulator temporarily,
To simulate how fast we
I
go.
just disconnected all these grounds, getting the cart a little bit before the horse. So what we got to do is go back to our original installation that you had right all along before I came along. And
So you're not going to be able to test with that unit then, are you? I mean, you can't run the pumps.
can't run the pumps, but we can calibrate them. We know that they work. We can put in a test speed, see them working while we're spraying, and then unplug it and then go back to watching nozzles.
Technical assistance is available online 24/7 on our YouTube channel or our website, newtoncrouch.com. You can call us at 800-241-1350 Monday to Friday and speak with a real person. No recorded messages. Our knowledgeable staff will be glad to assist you. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.